Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to tell if someone is on Facebook dating. If you're curious whether a specific person is on Facebook dating, there are a few ways to check. So let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Then tap on Dating. If you scroll down to Explore, you can choose to discover matches through specific interests. For example, if the person you're looking for has certain hobbies like horticulture or gardening, you can add those interests. After hitting Save, Facebook will be more likely to show you people who match those interests. Scroll through the list to see if the person you're looking for shows up. If you don't find the person that way, tap the back button at the top left. Then tap the gear icon in the top right and select General. From there, tap Privacy Settings. Now, here's something important. Facebook dating doesn't show your current friends, and anyone you've blocked won't appear either. If you're friends with someone on Facebook, they won't show up in your Facebook dating matches. Facebook assumes you'd already know if the other person is single, and it could be awkward if Facebook dating suggested one of your current friends to date. However, if you're not friends but you're friends of friends, you might see them if they've allowed friends of friends suggestions in their privacy settings. If they've turned that option off, it'll be harder to find them unless you don't share any mutual friends. So, if there's a specific person you're trying to find, make sure you're not friends with them on Facebook or friends of friends with them. This is the only way they'll show up in your Facebook dating profile, or you'll appear in theirs. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.